making vegetable soup. So for this tray, you can see that we've got lots of chopped up veg on the tray. The veg on the tray was actually used in our role play area. We had a vegetable shop that week. So what we did when we cleared it all up is we just chopped all the vegetables up and laid them all flat on the tray. We used real kitchen utensils like saucepans and spatulas. We put bowls out on, like smaller bowls all around it, and we actually got a packet of vegetable soup. You can see there's a coloured substance in the saucepan. We used real vegetable soup packet and just mixed it with water. This was just to give the tray and the soup a smell, so when the children were doing it, it was more real. So we just left it all flat on the tray ready for them, and they just pretended they were making vegetable soup. They transferred the soup and the vegetables into the bowls and mixed it all up. This was brilliant. They was able to explore real vegetables and play with them, smell them, and the use of language throughout this activity was really good, like lots of new vocabulary and role play, great for their imagination.